Now, as we all are aware that we can insert a row, we can insert a column in the same manner. We can also insert a cell. Now, you all are aware what is a cell. A cell is a place where row and column intersect each other. So, as we are inserting a row and a column, in the same manner we can insert a cell. We require to select a cell, right click the cell, options will be coming. We require to select the corresponding options. So over here, I have just purposely colored this particular cell as 15. Now what I am doing, right clicking that particular part. If I'm right clicking it, you are able to see insert cell, shift right. So you are able to see this particular 15 was present in English. It has been shifted towards the right. Now again, I'm again selecting 15, insert cell, shift down. So this 15 will be shifting down. So which are the two options with a cell? With a cell, we are able to shift right and shift down. So these are the two operations that we can perform while inserting a cell. Either we can shift it right or we can shift it down.